My name's Mark. I'm the design studio manager here at Tonic Studios. This month's designer's choice is a 3D pop-up dimensional die set. It's perfect for a standalone 3D card, but also works really well as a inside of a 2D card. The inspiration behind this set was spring, really. It's a very simple, upbeat, heartwarming little set. It's very easy to make, and I could just see it being used on inside of cards throughout the year, really. I can see this project being used as either a standalone 3D card. It makes a lovely little gift card with space on the back to write on. Or, like I say, it could be used on the inside of a card so that it pops out, which is it's quite a nice surprise for the recipient. I think this is really for, it's ideal for beginners. It comes with full instructions, but it's so easy to put together anyway. But also it would appeal to more advanced crafters just simply because if you want to make something quick, it's not one of our more complex 3D designs. It's a quick, simple, adorable little card set.